Everyone has one of that awkward family photo, right? It's the one you probably have buried in the family photo album or maybe even your crawl space so no one can see it. It's that bad. Okay, check out this one from our producer Jen and her brothers from when she was just a little kid. That's so cute. If you want to see some great awkward pics, check out the newest exhibit at the History Colorado Center. And kids are free this summer, which is awesome. Allison Salutes joins me now with more. Good to see you, Allison.
Yeah, great to see you.
So what's happening this summer at History Colorado Center?
We have so much going on this summer. Stuff for families. We've got stuff if you've got folks in town visiting for you this summer. Even Canine Friends are covered this summer at the History Colorado Center.
I love that you have this awkward photo exhibit because, like we said earlier, it seems like everybody and every family has that awkward photo.
It's true.
Is that why you decided to do this?
Yeah, so the exhibit is actually based on a blog that was started by Mike Bender and Doug Chernak. And the exhibit that we have at the History Colorado Center is kind of the best of their blog. So really those photos that are just completely hilarious are on display in the museum. And the wonderful thing about the exhibit as you go through is you actually hear visitors looking at the photos and laughing out loud.
Well, speaking of laughing, I don't mean to do this. This is our producer, Jen. And I'm trying to figure out the button that she's wearing. Jen, come here. What is the button that you're wearing? Is that Winnie the Pooh?
It's Care Bears.
It's Care Bears? Get over here really quick. Just show everybody your face because that's Jen, the young lady in the photo, and this is Jen now. You look the same. You're still cute as a button. So funny. So you have a great special for families this summer to actually encourage them and their children to learn about Colorado history.
Yeah, we want to make it as easy as possible. So that's why we're having kids have free admission all summer long. So kids under 18 can just come down with their family and come and explore the museum.
And Colorado Day is just a few weeks away.
It is. Colorado Day is the day we celebrate when Colorado became a state, and that's August 1st. And this year it's the 140th anniversary.
Wow.
And every year we celebrate just kind of by highlighting all those wonderful aspects that make our state great. So we've got demonstrators, performers, if you're curious how adobe bricks were made or how pigs lip sync or any kind of dancing.
Did you say pigs lip sync?
Yeah, we'll have.
Whoa!
We'll have a group of Colorado's most talented pigs performing on the day of. So just really fun stuff to just highlight how wonderful our state is.
How can we celebrate?
Well, you could come to the History Colorado Center on August 1st. We also, if you're not in Denver, have community museums throughout the state, and they're celebrating with free admission as well on August 1st, as well as kids free all over the summer. But really, any way that we can just think about our state and make it a special part of our day on August 1st will help us celebrate.
Good. And Allison, what's the History Hounds program?
This is a program that we are so excited for. Have you ever been walking your dog in a park and started to kind of wonder about its history? That's kind of what we're thinking. So we're pairing history walking tours with hikes for dogs. It kicks off this Saturday, July 23rd at Cheeseman Park. So we've got an expert guide leading folks through on making way for their canine friends as well. And then on August 20th, we'll explore City Park. And on September 17th, we'll explore Mount Falcon Park. So that one's a little bit more of a mountain hike.
Gosh, I think this is a great idea because Colorado, of course, we love to get out in the outdoors and hike, but we also love our animals. So what a great way to pair. Why this type of program? Is it because Colorado is so in love with the outdoors and their animals?
Absolutely. We just thought that this program concept was so Colorado that we could pair a love of the past and learning about history with our love of our animals.
So you brought a few examples of what you have at the museum going on right now. Would you mind walking through and telling me about them?
We brought a couple photos with books of photos with more of our awkward family photos, which are just hilarious.
Cute. Let me see this. And you don't have to pick anything up. You can leave it on the table. The camera will get it.
We've got a couple books if you are looking for like different ways to celebrate Colorado Day.
Wait, I have to talk about an awkward photo. That's hilarious. That's our director, Moss Creamer, wrapped in diapers. Or are those sanitary napkins?
I think they're diapers.
They're diapers, okay.
I think the baby back here is maybe missing a diaper.
Yeah, okay. It's really not Moss, but that was funny. Okay, what else did you bring?
We brought a couple books about fun things to do in Colorado for families, as well as our lovable bison. You'll see one in front of the museum, but we've got an adorable stuffed one here, and a couple things with our state flag, which we just love and we love to celebrate.
And finally, what's your favorite thing at the museum right now?
Ooh, that's such a hard question. It might be awkward family photos.
Yeah.
There might actually be a photo of my family that made the cut.
Are you serious? Can I show one more right here, you guys? And Allison, thank you so much for coming on the show. I mean, what a treat. Look at that. How cute. The History Colorado Center is open daily from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. Children 18 and younger can enjoy the museum for free all summer long. Celebrate our state's 140th birthday on Colorado Day, August 1st. There will be food, music, dancing, and so much more. Plus, on that date, admission to the museum is free all day long. For more information, please visit this website. Go to historycoloradocenter.org. That's historycoloradocenter.org.